Hi everyone, I'm Grace.
And I'm Hair 2.
And we're at Hair Center
of Turkey.
Let's go, turn that shit up, man.
Nice to
Hair
meet
2.
you. Teşekkür.
Teşekkür.
Yes.
Let's go. Let's rock the hair.
This is perfect. Yeah. Perfect. Okay.
Over there. Perfect. And then got the anesthesia needle. And honestly, it was so good. It was like you're sleeping and you wake up with a perfect hairline, guys.
Perfect,
That's the best way to say it.
Yeah.
We feel great.
We feel so great.